History has been made. Samsung and Android are entering a new era of power. What you're seeing isn't PlayStation footage. It's the Snapdragon GPU performance on the latest Unreal Engine Nanite. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and it's mind-blowing. Qualcomm has pushed the Snapdragon 8 Elite to be much faster and better than last year's 8 Gen 3. The improvements are major: 44% faster CPU, 40% faster GPU, 45% faster NPU, and about 40% more power efficient. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is built on Qualcomm's custom Orion CPU cores, bringing it close to actual PC-level performance. That's why they changed the name from the Gen series to Elite. This chip truly lives up to that name, performing at levels above what we see in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. There's even a video of a Snapdragon 8 Elite phone running the console-level game Assassin's Creed. The GPU on this chip is the most powerful ever in a phone, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a true console gaming powerhouse. Now, Samsung and Qualcomm just need to team up with big game studios to fully use this incredible power, and it's likely to happen. Beyond gaming and CPU performance, AI has also improved massively. With the Galaxy AI's second generation, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it's safe to say the results will be mind-blowing. Your AI assistant can now access your phone's camera directly, so you can point it at a receipt and ask questions in real time. The AI will respond with answers in seconds, which is truly incredible. We've seen image erasing features for photos before, but with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, this can now be done with videos right on the device. The Snapdragon 8 Elite also has a 35% faster AI ISP camera unit, which can handle photos from sensors up to 320 megapixels. With this new ISP, Samsung's 200 megapixel sensor on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will perform at its absolute best. I've heard that Samsung is specifically working to make video performance on the S25 Ultra much better than the S24 Ultra. With this powerful ISP in the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Samsung has everything needed to make this vision a reality. To fully unlock the Snapdragon 8 Elite's performance, Samsung is putting a lot of effort into the new One UI 7.0 for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, in terms of smoothness and performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be on a whole new level compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, possibly delivering Samsung's smoothest software experience ever. I can't wait to see the combination of One UI 7.1 with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's going to be amazing. While not officially confirmed, it's very likely that all Galaxy S25 models will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in 4 standard colors: black, green, blue, which I'm excited about, and titanium gray. As usual, there will also be some exclusive online colors to give more options. As we get closer to launch, more leaks of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are appearing. Now we're even seeing screen protectors for both the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus, which confirm a design change. Samsung has made the edges more rounded. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.
Infinite vastness of all that is blackness.